Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. So today is the 11th of February and the time is, let me check. The time is 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'll be going to Computer Village. I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and I film about skincare, but it's a vlog today. I'll be going to Computer Village. Computer Village is like a market. It's like a hub where they sell phones, laptops, everything, gadgets, electrical appliances, every single thing. Okay, so I have a phone that I want to fix the screen. I'll be going to Computer Village, and then I want to go and take my second booster COVID shot. The health center I took is very close to Computer Village as well, so that's why I just dedicated today to do all Computer Village, runs. So I'll be first going to take my COVID shot. Then from there, I've called a couple of engineers. They'll get back to me to tell me about their prices so I can compare and know who I'm going to be fixing my phone with. And then I want to buy a power bank. I want to get a power bank, and I want to see if I can get a tripod, a small vlogging tripod. And yeah, basically that's it. I won't be driving, so you will be going to enter bus. I'm not taking boats either. Okay, I'm not taking boats. I don't take boats to Computer Village. There'll be traffic, so let me just go and enter bus, JJ. Basically, let me show you guys the phone I want to fix. Okay, so first of all, this is my card. This is the card for my vaccine. This is the card for my vaccine. I took the first shot on the 21st of December. I was supposed to go back and take the second shot on the 31st of January, but I was very busy that day. I didn't get to go, so I'll be going today. And then for the phone I want to fix, this is the phone I want to fix. It's an Infinix Note 5. I basically want to, nothing is wrong with the charging port, nothing is wrong with the camera, it's just the screen. So I want to fix the screen. I just want to be using it as my second phone. Then I want to dedicate it to my business. It's going to be my business phone. I want to open a backup page for my Instagram account. Instagram has been disabling accounts these days. They even disabled my main page. I opened another one. So I want to open a backup page. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be running it on this one because I don't want to use the same phone number and email address. That's basically it. Then get the power bank. I'm thinking of getting 20 milliamps power bank. It's going to be Oraimo. I don't have an idea how much it costs yet, but yeah, that's it. Let's go. Let me even just use small. See, when I wanted to cross where I would enter Computer Village bus, right? I didn't use the pedestrian bridge. I crossed the road instead. I didn't know that kick against indisciplined officers. I didn't know they were at the other end of the road. Me, I went to cross the road. That's how one of them caught me. They actually parked their Black Maria and they were parking people inside. Me, I did not know. Immediately I saw what was happening. I just sharply said that you should please. I was in a hurry that there was an emergency in the hospital I had to go and attend to. Not like I was a doctor, but the person's card is with me. I showed him the back of my COVID card. Fortunately for me, he didn't ask me to open it. He didn't ask to see the card. So, but the guy now asked me to go back and go and use the pedestrian bridge. That's why I went to use the pedestrian bridge. You can even see the bus. This black box that has green something. That's the bus. You can see all these people wearing green. Those are the Kai officials. So in case you see them on the road, don't cross road when you're supposed to use bridge. I've done something for you like that. So I just got to the center. I just got to the vaccination center now, and then I was given number 33. I think they've called up to 26 or 27, so it's not really. So guys, I'm in Computer Village now, and I've gotten to where I came to fix my screen. So I just got to where I'll fix the screen. I couldn't vlog at the vaccination center because they didn't allow, and then there was nobody to even take a video of me when I was getting jabbed. So this keeps. Kilo Kadigoi. So I'm in Adekwele Street. Do you have small lavalier microphone? Lapel mic. Do you have the one that is not wired? I want to come and buy camera. Or what's the best camera for starters? For YouTube videos. 160 Canon. Comes with quick lens and all. Guys, I didn't know that YouTube gears are this expensive. Oh. This lady said the smallest camera they have is about 160,000 naira. Mic, very good mic, is 40,000 naira. There's even this rotatory tripod stand I saw. The lady said it's 100,000 naira. Please try and be liking our videos. I use those guys to beg you. These things are expensive. I didn't even know they were this expensive. Me, I did not buy them. Oh. Hi guys, good evening. How did the day go? So I didn't get to vlog when I was being given the vaccine because there was nobody to record me. I went alone. Guys, is it like this in your area, or is there heat, or is it just me? Look, see the way I'm sweating. There is heat like that's not even why I'm vlogging. So the point where they gave me this thing is not even showing at all. Like it's not painful. I'm just very okay. I'm okay. So the things I went to buy at Computer Village, right? Apart from I went to fix my phone. I told you guys I wanted to fix my old phone. See, I already fixed it, and then I got this for the back. I got this for the back. I was really looking for a very fine pouch, but I didn't see. They all said it's an old phone. People are not buying it anymore. People are not asking for it. So the fine pouches are, they are scarce and all. So I had to eventually buy this one. I also bought a pouch for my phone, and it is so cute. Let me show you guys. So this is the pouch I got for my phone. See, I use a Samsung Note 10. That's what I film with. That's what I vlog with. That's what I, basically do everything with it. So for this tripod stand, I got it because I like the fact that the leg, you can fold the leg like this. Look, you can fold this, you can hang it like so. On days when I'm driving and I want to vlog, I can as well just hang it on my steering and then just be showing you guys what I want to show you. So basically I got this one for 5,000 naira. Yeah, I got this one for 5,000 naira. I got my pouch for 2,000 naira. I got this one for 2,000 naira. I got this one for 1,000 naira, and I fixed my screen, I think 16,000, everything. Meanwhile, I told you guys I wanted to buy power bank as well, right? I wanted to buy power bank. So I got this Oraimo power bank. Yeah, so that power bank, you guys, my phone's battery is not all that, yeah, so I need to just get something to support it. I got the it's 27,000 milliamps. Yeah, 27,000 milliamps, and my phone's battery is about 3,500 milliamps. So my mind is at peace. I'm rest assured that I can't even have any problem with my phone going off and off. But the problem is, you guys, it is so heavy. You see, people that carry small handbags, all those small mini bags, you cannot put this handbag inside, this power bank inside, so just cut. Budget. So but I got it. I actually saw 20,000 milliamps there. I planned on buying 20,000 milliamps when I left home. That was the plan, that I was going to buy 20,000 milliamps. But by the time I got there, they said 20,000 milliamps was 9,200, and then 27,000 milliamps was 11,800, and I felt 2,600 naira difference for 7,000 milliamps difference. Let me just go for the bigger one. So basically, that's how today was. And then as regards the vaccination, the COVID vaccine that I took, I am fine. I feel sleepy right now because I mean it's already late. I'm filming this right now. The time is about 11 o'clock. 10:44. This is 10:44 p.m. So I feel sleepy already, but it's not because of the vaccine or anything. I'm just tired. I had a very very long day. My friend came over to I had my friend around today, and yeah. So that's it, guys. I hope you. I don't know if I should say I hope you enjoyed the vlog because I feel like it's boring. But we move. We move. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, the channel is growing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for staying around. Thank you for liking this small girl. This small girl really appreciates you. Don't worry, babies. Let's just get monetized. When we get monetized, I'm going to do a giveaway on this channel. Okay. And I see your comments. I see everybody's comments. I know the people that comment every time. I see my loyal fans. Yeah, that's it, guys. I will see you in another one. Bye.